आप ना आ रही हो पीछे. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Akshita and in this channel we talk about beauty, skincare and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my bathing routine. It includes hair care as well as body care. So let's just get started with today's video. Okay, let's just start with the body care category first. So I have two body washes with me. First up is this Dot & Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Shower Gel. This also has ceramide which strengthens your skin barrier. So ये बहुत ही normal shower gel है. It is a cleansing shower gel. ये कुछ exfoliate नहीं करता, इसमें कोई exfoliants है नहीं. But this is a very normal gentle shower gel, very mild fragrance भी कुछ बहुत out of the top नहीं है. But if you just have the purpose कि body बस cleanse हो जाना चाहिए, उसके लिए this is very good. You can go for this. Now the second one I have with me is a little different and my personal favorite. This is from Chemist at Play. Of course, no guesses. ये होना ही था. This is an exfoliating body wash. Now I have strawberry legs because I shave my feet. I don't use wax strips or waxing because मेरे लिए pain tolerance is like zero. So I use this. This is the daily exfoliating body wash with 4% lactic acid, salicylic acid and vitamin E. So these are the ingredients that it has and it smells divine. Okay, it has this toffee smell and not the typical toffee, वो Alpenlibe वाला scent होता है ना वैसा, but ये बहुत ही like fragrance. It's like an experience of its own. अगर shower में while bathing you like to have a luxurious experience, you can get this one and it is very affordably priced. इसका price है 400 rupees but Nykaa and all पे हमेशा ही sale चलती रहती है. So you can get your hands on this easily at 300-350 rupees या फिर even cheaper. So it's amazing. Go for it. Now I have one scrub recommendation also. एक week पहले I emptied the whole tub of it and I have ordered another one for myself. So ये Dove का scrub है. I'll pop up a picture. It is so good. Like बिल्कुल exfoliate करता है body को but बहुत ही gentle है, harsh नहीं है skin पे and body nourished लगती है. ऐसा नहीं लगता कि it doesn't strip off the oils, natural oils. ये बहुत ही gentle है, calming है and also very nourishing. So it's amazing. Now body lotion के लिए I have multiple options for you all. The first one that I am using currently is this one from Vaseline. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Nourish 48-hour long lasting moisturization. Now this has serum in a lotion. It's really good. बहुत ही nourishing है, जो कि body lotion का काम होता है वही करता है. बहुत ही soft है, nourishing लगती है skin. 48-hour intense hydration, not really sure, but हाँ, it literally stays up to 12 hours. I can say easily on my body. 10 to 12 hours तक stay करता है. बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can go for it. Otherwise, I also have another one which is from Nivea. वो अभी मेरे पास नहीं है because I use only one at a time, but I have used that one also. This one is the bottle that I'm talking about. It's so good. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है and उसका moisturization I think it's even more than this. The only problem that I have with this one is कि इसको blend करने में बहुत time लगता है. So if your skin is damp, थोड़ा हल्का damp रहेगा ना अगर skin, तो ये बहुत ही easily smoothly blend हो जाता है, वरना इसको मलते रहना पड़ता है, तो वो थोड़ा सा है. बट दिस इज नाउ आफ्टर आई एम डन विथ माई शावर, जो निकल के हम लोग परफ्यूम मिस्ट वगैरह जो भी अप्लाई करते हैं उसके पहले आई यूज़ दिस अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन बाय केमिस्ट एट प्ले. दिस हैज़ 5% AHA एंड दिस हेल्प्स इन प्रिवेंटिंग बॉडी ओडर, जो कि बेसिकली एवरी अदर डिओड्रेंट हेल्प्स इन, बट दिस रोल ऑन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट बिकॉज दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स विथ योर अंडर आर्म पिगमेंटेशन एंड अंडर आर्म डार्कनेस एंड आई किड यू नॉट, आई हैव सीन विजिबल रिजल्ट्स ऑफ इट. दिस इज रियली गुड. एक डमाको का भी आता है सेम, बट आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट. I don't know कितना काम करता है, but this one works, like it literally works. This is for 400 rupees again, but Nykaa पे हमेशा ऑफ चलता रहता है, तो 350 में मिल जाएगा. मैंने ये और केमिस्ट एट प्ले का ये दोनों शार जेल एंड रोल ऑन दोनों कॉम्बो में लिया था. सो आई गॉट इट फॉर 500 रुपीज़, 499, दैट इज़ 250 ईच. सो amazing deal. Go for it. अगर आपको पिंक फ्राइडे सेल या वट एवर सेल पे मिलता है तो गो फॉर इट. इट्स रियली गुड एंड स्वेयर बाय इट. सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स रेव अबाउट इट एंड दिस इज़ वर्थ द हाइप. नाउ बॉडी केयर कैटेगरी ओवर, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू हेयर केयर. सो हेयर केयर के लिए आई वोंट लाई, मेरे पास शैम्पूज़, आई कीप स्विचिंग माई शैम्पूज़. कोई फिक्स्ड शैम्पू नहीं है मेरा जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. आई डोंट बिलीव कि शैम्पू से कुछ फ्रिज कंट्रोल बहुत हद तक होता है. येस, थोड़ा बहुत इट हेल्प्स. आपका हेयर को ड्राई नहीं करेगा अगर वो शैम्पू, देन इट्स द बेस्ट, अमेजिंग. शैम्पू के लिए आई हैव अ फ्यू रिकमेंडेशंस जो आई हैव यूज्ड इन द पास्ट ईयर्स. दैट इज़ लव ब्यूटी एंड प्लानट का एक शैम्पू है. I have also used, I think, L'Oreal and Tresemme. Tresemme hasn't worked for me personally. I won't recommend it. But Love Beauty and Planet is amazing. Dove ka shampoo is also amazing. You can go for it. And next up is conditioner. Now conditioner, I swear by a few of the conditioners and I'm gonna share it with you all. Two conditioners. I have this one from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal 72 hours moisture sealing conditioner. This has hyaluronic acid. So this is really good. इसका texture भी इतना smooth है ना on its own also. And जैसे ही आप इसको अपने hair पे apply करते हो, you keep it for 5-10 minutes and then you wash it off and it makes your hair so smooth and supple. बहुत अच्छा है ये. इसी का hair care range भी बहुत अच्छा है. You can try it. L'Oreal in general makes really good hair care products. I swear by their serums also, जो वो golden वाले packaging में आता है serum. It's amazing. वो भी मैंने यूज़ किया हुआ है. I keep on switching my products, इसलिए मेरे पास सारा bottles होता नहीं है. Keep that in mind. But yeah, this one is really good. You can go for this. Now talking about L'Oreal and hair care, I have another product from L'Oreal. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. This is the leave-in cream. इसके बारे में भी I have talked multiple times about this. ये basically मैं लाई थी अपने split ends के लिए, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत जल्दी स्प्लिट एंड्स हो जाते थे मेरे बाल में. आई कीप ऑफ चॉपिंग ऑफ माई हेयर. पता नहीं, मैं अपने बाल काटती रहती थी. एंड देन वन डे आई डिसाइड कि दिस इज़ नॉट द सोल्यूशन. आई नीड टू फाइंड एन ऑल्टरनेटिव. आई कांट कीप ऑन कटिंग माई हेयर नीचे से बार. सो दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ये हेल्प करता है, बहुत अच्छा है. दिस इज़ अ लीव इन कंडीशनर. इट सेज दैट इट रिपेयर्स डैमेज्ड एंड्स. जो भी हेयर के एंड्स है जो डैमेज हो जाते हैं उसको रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करता है. सो दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड लीव इन क्रीम. I think it retails somewhere between 500 to 550 rupees, but Nykaa Pay there is always some sale going on, so you can get your hands on this one. Now last but not the least, I have a hair mask. This is from Himalaya. This has amla and chickpeas. ये 100 ml का bottle है which retails for 100 rupees, which is amazing to be honest. 100 ml for 100 rupees and Nykaa Pay again in sale you get it for 70 or 80 rupees. ये सबसे cheapest product है out of all the products that I have shown you till now. This provides your hair a lot of nourishment. I won't lie, थोड़ा सा it weighs down your hair. It is a little heavy on the hair, but nourishment provide करता है. So if you struggle with frizzy hair, I think this is a very good option. You should try your hands on this one maybe. And बहुत ही cheap है, ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं है. So you can do a trial and error. If this works for you, great. I have a few other hair mask alternatives also, which I'll pop them up on the screen or name them here somewhere. These are not that inexpensive. थोड़ा expensive category में चला जाता है, but still under 500 rupees. But yeah, affordability is subjective to each and every person. It depends from person to person. So I don't know if under 500 it may be affordable for someone and expensive for someone else. So you can decide which one to choose for your own according to your hair type and what all you like and how much you like to splurge on the products. And that was it. All the products that I have shown you will be linked down below or would be named down below, so you can get your hands on this. किसी ना किसी वेबसाइट पे there is always some sale, maybe Amazon Pay or Nykaa Pay, the Pink Friday sale or Falana Dimkana sale. There is always something going on, so you can get your hands on this. And so yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep following me for more such videos. Bye.